Hi salon owners! Salon gift cards are the easiest way to boost your cash flow before Christmas, and the fastest way to crush your January if you don't control how clients redeem them. I'm Bartek from Zolmi, and I help salons stay profitable with simple, practical business strategies. Today, I'm giving you the full salon gift card playbook, 7 steps to sell more, redeem smarter, protect your January, and turn every gift card client into a loyal regular. We also touch base on a salon gift card calendar to keep your cash steady all year. Alright, let's jump in and start from the $100 mistake salon owners don't realize they're making. Before we talk sales, calendars or upsells, let's get one thing clear. A salon gift card, a client buys, say $150 for their mom, it's prepaid work you owe later. That's your future liability. If you hand out a $20 thank you salon voucher, that's just a marketing cost. Moreover, gift cards usually can't expire or must stay valid for 5 years. And here, check your local rules. Vouchers can expire sooner. Tag both correctly in your salon system so your reports stay accurate, mix them up, and your December profit will vanish in January. Okay, now that you know the basics, we can get into timing. Because timing is where most salons lose or win the money. Here's your salon gift card calendar so you sell at the right time. November 1st to 10th, quiet warm-up. Light mentions, soft reminders like salon gift cards coming soon. November 15th till Black Friday, early push. Clients still have money and energy to shop. December 1st to 23rd, your main season. Feature gift cards at the front desk, online booking, website banners, checkout chats. For example, if you still need a gift, we have beautiful salon gift cards. January 15 onwards, this is when your control redemption starts. To make it happen, don't forget to add this line to every purchase. Valid for booking from January 15th. Perfect post-holiday refresh. This shifts about half your redemptions into February. Steady work, steady cash. Now, February, May, there's your Valentine's and Mother's Day. Second strongest gift card window of the year. And let's not forget September. Self-care after summer, kids back in school, and clients feel ready to fix their hair and skin. This is perfect for recovery facials, hydrating hair masks, or massage gift cards. This salon gift card calendar keeps your cash inflow predictable and spreads redemptions over slower months. Now, before we go into strategies, let's avoid the traps. Here are 5 salon gift card mistakes that kill your profit. Number 1, discounting gift cards. Never sell $100 gift cards for $80. It kills your margin and teaches clients to wait for deals. Use bonuses instead. 2, allowing instant January redemption. That's how you end up fully booked with no cash in the bank. Delay redemptions to mid-January. 3, not tracking liability. If you sell $10K in cards, you may owe $5K in labor plus product. Keep cash reserves so you don't feel pressure later. Number 4, staff not mentioning gift cards. So introduce this one simple checkout line. If you still need a gift, we have beautiful salon gift cards here. Very easy, not pushy, effortless. Number 5, zero upsell plan. Gift card clients feel like they're not paying, so they upgrade easily. But only if your team asks. Keep these mistakes in check, and gift cards will build your additional salon revenue not drain it. Alright, with mistakes avoided, here's how to sell gift cards the smart way. Stop discounting. Do this instead with Salon gift cards. The winning strategy I see work most of the time is buy a $100 Salon gift card and get $10 bonus just for you. Why it works? The gift card stays full price. The bonus rewards the buyer. Your pricing stays premium and it feels like a treat, not a sale. And how to say it naturally? At reception. If you are still shopping for gifts, our Salon gift cards come with a little thank you bonus for you. Or on social, holiday gifting sorted and a small treat for you. Online booking page, buy a gift, get rewarded. Now, let's move to the most profitable part, upselling. How to turn gift card clients into profit. Once the card is sold, redemption is your profit moment. Teach your team this one line. Would you like to upgrade your service today? And offer small add-ons like $20 deep conditioning, $15 scalp massage, $10 brow tidy. Always recommend a retail product that will enhance the results and upkeep at home. Remember, the main service is already paid. That makes upgrades effortless. And that way, you've sold a $100 card and added 30 to 50 extras and delivered a more premium customer experience. Top tip for you, gift cards drive traffic. Upsells create profit. Next, let's make sure your cash flow doesn't get hit. So how to protect your Salon cash flow from gift cards? You're gonna sell a lot of gift cards in December. But remember, that money isn't fully yours. If you sell 10K in gift cards, expect 50-70 redeemed January-March, 20-30% redeemed April-August, 5 to 15 will never get redeemed. Track this weekly. Cards sold, cards redeemed, balance still owed. And don't make the mistake of using a notepad or some spreadsheets. A smart Salon system will calculate this for you automatically, so you know how much cash to keep aside. And what I found working really well is use about half of your December gift card cash and keep the other half to deliver the services in the future. That's what keeps January safe. Now, let's turn those new clients into long-term regulars. How to turn Salon gift card clients into loyal regulars. Remember, gift card clients didn't choose your salon themselves. They were given a gift card and recommended your place. And here's how you can keep them. At check-in, is this your first visit with us? Welcome, we're glad you're here. During the service, add a 1-minute wow moment. Warm towel, hand scrub, mini brow tidy, scalp massage, etc. At checkout, we'd love to see you again. Shall we book your next visit? 1 week later, hope you loved your visit. We'd be happy to book your next appointment. A follow-up SMS. Aim to convert 20 to 30 of gift card clients into regulars. This means every $100 card can bring an extra 20 to 30 in recurring revenue. And we all know retention beats chasing new clients every single time. Alright, let's wrap this up. Your complete Salon gift card playbook goes like this. Start early. Follow the calendar. Don't discount. Control redemptions. Upsell smart. Track your liabilities. And convert gift card clients into regulars. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your best Salon gift card trick? Share it in the comments below. If you want to take the next step, watch my video on Salon gift card automation, how to run all of this smoothly inside your Salon software. Stay fabulous, stay profitable, and build the salon your clients will love.